Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you guys? Only three? What happened to the others?
I don't know.
Who's not here? Milan is not here. Ihan is not here. Haya is not here. Okay. If they join for assembly, we will get a black star. Today onwards, those who are not joining for assembly will get a black star.
Ma'am, I joined at the 7:38, and you didn't bring me in.
I didn't bring anyone in. I was in staff meeting with other teachers.
Oh.
Before your meeting, we have staff meeting. So that sometimes, like 1 more minute, two late, it gets.
I joined. I think I joined first or something.
Yes, I meant. Lazel, what is Lazel doing there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
today we have presentation.
Today you have?
Ma'am, can I ask you something? Ma'am.
Hi, Milan. Where's your uniform, Milan?
Sorry, ma'am.
You know today is not Wednesday, right? Tomorrow you have to put your color dress.
Sorry. Next class I'll wear.
Yes. Okay. So I have to remind you tomorrow we are having the competition. How many of you are participating in minutes to minute?
What is it? Next minute?
Minutes to minute.
Me, ma'am. I'm not participating.
Milan is there.
I'm
Milan
not.
is there. Ayman is not there.
No, I'm not there. No, Amila was there too.
Oh, Amila, you gave the name.
Ma'am, which one? I just gave my name for the blogs.
Let me check, okay? 1 second. We can check.
Ma'am, which one?
Minutes to minute. It's like they will give you one topic and you have to talk for that topic for 1 minute. It's just 1 minute. That's easy.
Yeah, that is simple. No.
Let me check.
That is kind of simple. I didn't practice it.
You don't have to practice, right? You won't get the topic.
It's like they will give us one word, but you have to make we have to say something about the topic. I'm not participating in it.
Topic like nature, maybe pollution, maybe waste.
Yeah, that is very simple.
Yeah, you get. Let me see what I've given the name.
I did it.
Competition. Okay. Ellen is there. Lazel. Amila, you have given your name. Your name is already went with the list.
But I don't remember it. I think so. You didn't ask me. But I'm not. Ma'am, can I ask you something? When is it minutes to win it?
Tomorrow during the P2 hour.
P2 hour, okay.
So you have to join here. The teacher will come and take you to the PYC.
Should I join, ma'am?
Yes, Amila, everyone has to join. You have to join
Ma'am,
here.
I'm not good at that.
Amila, it's like you will get a topic, okay?
And then you have to make something about the topic,
Think about it. You will get 30 seconds to think about it.
Like think about what does it mean like that.
Just give a basic introduction about yourself. Like, hi everyone, start with hi everyone. I think you guys know me. Something like that. My name is Amila. I'm representing PYA1 class. And I'm going to talk about this. See there.
Ma'am, I'm joining. So if they asked what nature we're supposed to do, nature is big forest, raincoat, like that. Ma'am, I'm joining it. It's kind of simple, I'm not gonna lie. I have done it.
Raise your hand. Ayman. 1 second. Ayman. What did you say?
My name is already there, ma'am.
See, Amila, you have given the name. Milan has given the name. Lazel has given the name.
Okay then.
Ayman, do you want to participate?
In what, ma'am?
Minutes to minute. Why Haya is late? Haya, you are getting a black star for being late.
Okay, ma'am.
Ihan also. Let's see.
Why? It's only 8 minutes. Then
It's
only 8 minutes. by 6 o'clock. Then I went back to sleep.
Ma'am, what is the thing we're gonna do in minutes, 2 minutes?
Yeah, you will be given.
It's like
topic.
the wait, ma'am, can I explain?
Wait.
That is simple topics like nature, pollution, it could be waste, things like that. Something you already know. It's not hard topic because I'm the one who prepared the topics. Simple topics you will get. So you will get 30
Is it
seconds.
simple topics, ma'am? Don't hear me hard, okay?
1 minute.
And then what do we have to do?
You have to talk for 1 minute on that topic. Speak confidently, boldly, like starting, give an introduction. Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Haya and I'm going to speak about this. Got it? So 1 minute you will get given to speak. No, speaking is just 1 minute. You have to talk about it for 1 minute. They will check how confident you are, how well you are able to speak, what is your content, body language, like use hands, gestures, like hi, focus. I will turn on your camera, please. Then use your hands, communicate, be bold, confident. Okay, and like raise your tone, put your tone a little down, up and down, up and down. It would be nice. It's just 1 minute. It is very easy. Go for it, I would say. Okay, Haya is in, Naiman is in. So except Ihan, everyone is in. Wow, that's good. So it is during
Ihan did not know, so when he comes, I will tell him.
Yeah, during P2 join here. And Madhushree ma'am will come and take you to the PYC class. Got it?
Tomorrow, right?
Yes, tomorrow. It is tomorrow, Mila. Tomorrow, not today.
I know. But what time do you have to join?
Normal class during P2 hour. P2.
Okay.
Okay? I'll add your name there. So, Rachel, are you listening? I don't think you are listening.
It's not in the calendar.
Ma'am, what's the program? Can you tell again? Program?
You have to talk about a topic which will be given to you for 1 minute. It is tomorrow during P2. Got it? Okay,
Okay, ma'am. Can we prepare for it?
Like, prepare a quote which can be used for everything. So at the end,
I'm going to prepare. I'm already prepared.
Yeah, prepare a quote which can be used for everything. Like I would like to end my words by saying that nothing in nature or nothing in the universe is this. So you can preserve it and connect it to your topic. Okay? You're not in why lazy?
Let me think.
Your name is already given, you can answer it now. Topic will be given on the spot.
There we go. Yeah, there we go, Lazel.
Okay? So which is your first hour, people? Who's
My
taking
first
class?
science. Do you know who's a school leader?
Who's the school leader? Please tell me which is your first hour. Go to your class.
Nice. It's Tiny Ma'am. We are in the class, ma'am.
Shiny ma'am has to come here, right?
Milan is the leader. Who's the school leader of the? The school monitor. Who's the monitor?
Okay, I'm giving all of your names, okay? Since everyone is there, ma'am is here. Okay, bye-bye. Bye, people.
Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye.